I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new Sheets file and laying out a simple plan. Open a blank sheet, add headers in row 1, and decide which columns are numbers, dates, or text. This avoids later rework. Once done, freeze the header row and set formats, number, date, or plain text, so entries behave predictably. Make sure to name the file and enable autosave. Organizing columns now saves time. Then enter a few sample rows to confirm formatting and structure before moving on. Now populate the sheet with consistent data and apply formulas to compute results. Start with simple functions. Equals sum, A2, A10 for totals, equals average for means, and equals count to tally entries. Use equals if to branch logic when needed. Once done, copy formulas down using the fill handle, and remember to anchor cells with $ when a reference must stay fixed. Make sure to use paste special when copying formats or values only. As you go, validate outputs by checking a couple of rows manually to ensure calculations are correct. Finish by organizing and sharing your work so others can use it. Add filters and conditional formatting to highlight important values. Sort by column to find extremes, and group or hide irrelevant columns for focus. Once done, set sharing permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, and use comments to ask questions. If something breaks, first check formula ranges and cell formats, then examine absolute versus relative references. If needed, revert to an earlier version via version history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.